So this is a set of gauges which I'm going to remove the speedo and measure it, then see what I can actually order from the good old internet. The ones I've seen only went up to 200 kilometers an hour, so if I only stay in 4th gear, I'll be fine. I've measured the gauge right here, 84mm. The hole that the gauge lives in is 85mm. So now I'll just see what I can find out on the net and order it and see if I can make it work. My plastics are all clean, but they're really quite white. So what I'm going to try and do now is the heat gun method, where you remelt the top layer of the plastic and make it all glossy again. I'll have a bit of a practice on the under tray where I can't see it and see if I can work out the right temperature to make it all look nice and fresh. That's set at 520. Okay. So here's a bit we don't want to mess up. 620 degrees, flat out. Let's see if we can pull it off. Well, it's definitely blacker than before. So that's before. And that's after. I'll put the camera down and I'll put a bit more effort into it and see how good I can get it. Well, it worked pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's definitely improved what it looked like before. So I'll let it cool down, and I think that's probably as good as I'm going to get it. It's definitely not as white. I think the degreaser may have sent it a bit white, but there you go. So that worked quite well. I've got a wheel out of a 96 model ZX7. They had a 6-inch rim, and that's what I want to put in my bike, which only has a 5.5 inch. This is a 200 by 60 17 off a V4 Panigale, 190 55 17 off other model Jap bikes and Ducatis. But I'm going to try and get this big guy in there because he's a lot taller profile, especially if I can stick them side by side. I'll show you. There's just a lot more rubber. Anyway, so I'll dummy fit it up onto this scaly old rim and put in the bike and see what happens.